Assalamu alaikum. This is Al-Amin, ID 172352120. Today I will discuss designing secure web application in sensitive data. Okay, go to Google Chrome. In my project I will be using PHP, JavaScript, Bootstrap. What is my project? My project localhost secure project. Registration. First of them in my project need to register. Enter your name, mail, and password. Password I will put 1 2 3 4 and submit. Registration successful. Then need to go login. In login portion will name a@gmail.com and password was 1234 and press login button. You are logged in my system, that means login is successful, and my name is Al-Amin, email a@gmail.com, and password is password is this is a encryption password from database. I will show a local host and user table. By seeing the browse, all password is encrypted password. In my project, for secure web application need to all password encryption for security. This Al-Amin and password was name, mail, and password was encryption. The password, I'm just showing the encryption password, that is not needed actually. For this encryption, what we'll doing, for this reason I am showing this. Okay, in logout, if I using my session and cookies, I need to a@gmail.com and password 1234. Save email and password. If I save email and password, then press login, that will log in with a cookie using session. Username and password will save in my cookies. For if I save a cookies, if I want to save my cookies, then it will save, otherwise it never save. And logout is save email and password, yes, and login. The system password name is Al-Amin, email a@gmail.com. In this one portion logout, if I put a wrong name or password like 1 2 3 4 5, then press, it will showing invalid username and password. Okay, if I show a 1 2 3 4 and login, that will always login portion logout. Otherwise in registration part we'll see a name and email that was recently used at a@gmail.com and password 1234 as like submit. That will show the email is already registered, so we cannot use a email 2 times using registration. In login portion we will save a mail and password if we put the save mail and password. Otherwise you can see in login portion, that is not a save, or that will not a save in cookies. If I save in cookies, that I can show save in cookies portion. The main term of my project, secure web application, if I put a text like is okay. If we submit, then the text is encrypted and decrypted. We wrote here in text, this is Akib. This encryption key is this is, and decryption what I wrote in my last intertext level encryption key. That's all. And we're going to coding portion. We're using registration for request method, PHP, MySQL. Yes, insert into in hash. For hashing we use password bcrypt, and go to registration successfully. If the database will match, then that will go, and otherwise you are not registered. Empty field, etc. Like you are going registration part, you are put here nothing data 1 is and submit. That will show a empty field found. This is empty field found, and HTML part I put name, email, and JavaScript. For login, we'll see session start. If we do not save our session, we don't need the verify password in session prime. If we for my secure website, if we don't save any session, any cookies in browser, that we don't need to do this portion. If we do not use this portion, the session and cookie we can't use in our browser. This is secure. And for encryption, we're using a JavaScript method in view page. Yes. I'm putting a function encrypt and document encryption. We are using a JavaScript method, and that's will call a PHP. That's showing in the HTML code. Yeah, that's my project. We'll see again registration, login. If we see a database Al-Amin @gmail.com and password is encrypted, we'll use a other login from database. We'll see the Shakil is @gmail.com. Okay, we'll log in a Shakil is @gmail.com and password was 12. If we put save email and password, login successfully, and save password notification will come. If we say on to cookies save or other never save cookies, and password showing password Shakil, name Shakil, email @gmail.com. You put a text, my name is Shakil, submit. Encrypted is this is, and decryption is my name is Shakil. Yeah, log out. This is also save the last mail and password, because I put a save email and password press, that will log in. So this is my project. Thank you.